Struggling to understand map and filter? Here's how to implement them from scratch using Python. Let's run this and you can see that using map, it won't even give you the right result. You have to wrap this in a list call for it to give you something readable. And if you want to filter the list of friends before turning it into a list, you have to first write a function and then call filter with it. Now you only get the friends that start with B. Let's re-implement map and filter so you know how it's done. Here I'll define filter, and this takes a function that you want to run on every item. We'll call it testfunc, and then it also gets an iterable. Then it's going to return every item, but only if the testfunc passes for it. Map does something similar. It takes every item and applies a function to it. So we'll say map, func, and iterable, and then returns func of x for x in iterable. Now we've overridden the built-in filter and map, and we can still run this code and it works. So this is how you implement filter and map using Python. Or, you could just use the list comprehensions directly by getting rid of all of these and this, and then doing friend.title for friend in friends if friend starts with B. And this does exactly the same thing. But you could just use a list comprehension instead of a generator comprehension, and you don't have to call list at all. There you go.